Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to share Wi-Fi without revealing the password. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now press on network and internet. Go to Wi-Fi. Select your connected Wi-Fi. From here, you can see the option of share. Click on this. Use your pattern. You can scan this QR code and share your Wi-Fi without revealing password. That's it. So this is how to share Wi-Fi without revealing the password. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.